Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, today I'm going to be doing a closet clean out, declutter, getting rid of stuff type video. And I've been meaning to do this type of video for like a couple weeks now, but I just haven't gotten to it. I just been lazy, you know. I felt that it's the perfect day today for me to do this video because I have nothing to do. I am off from work. The last time I did a closet declutter was about over a year now. Over a year? A little over a year? Yeah, because we moved into this house and that's when I had to go through all of my things and just get rid of things that I don't need anymore. Like, there were so many shoes that I got rid of. I had so many pieces that I couldn't bring because my closet from my last house to this house, it's so much smaller and it makes me sad, and that was the only thing that I did not like about this house was the closet space. I think I have a little clip of what my closet used to look like. I'll try to find it and put it in the video. But with this house, the closet is so much smaller and it was just so sad. I had to get rid of a lot of stuff. And then my parents had to buy me a wardrobe from IKEA so I could put whatever didn't fit in my closet into that kind of storage. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a little bit. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here's my closet. Here it is, all my things. Right here are like my summer shirts, like kind of nice tops, and then here's just like my t-shirts. Here's my scarf collection. I have almost 100 scarves, but they're like kind of like buried on top of each other. And here are some shoes, some boots up there, and then I have like a mixture of things here. There's like skirts, some sweaters, mostly dresses here, and then I have my Gamora costume right here and like this ugly Christmas sweater. Yeah. Oh, and here's my graduation gown. Yep. Just all that here. And I do have this big box that I have yet to go through from when we moved to this house. From when we moved. And oh yeah, I forgot about these two boxes. So I'm gonna try to get rid of these. I had bought this. I bought this gallon container to just put things in that I don't want left out, I guess, like from the closet, like bags and whatever. And then down here I have a dog kennel. I have these bags right here, and my suitcase is down there. I do have this TV right here. I actually have two TVs in my room. Don't know why, but this one's gonna be mounted on my wall and this one's just like an extra TV, so like it's just chilling in here. Okay. Oh, and then this is the wardrobe that I was talking about. It is a mess right now, like on the shelves it's a mess. But yeah, this is where I put the rest of my belongings that did not fit in the closet. So the lighting's not so great, but this is what we're going to work with, okay? I'm starting with this side. Yeah. Okay. So, I definitely, yeah, this shirt, okay, polka dots, button up. I'm not going to wear it. I think somebody would like to have this. I don't want it, so that's the first thing that's going to go. And I guess I'll put my hangers right here in this empty space. Oh my gosh, this skirt, I love this skirt. I got this from Agassi, and it is like a leather skirt with this belt. Oh my gosh, like, can you see it? You can't see it, hold on. Okay, yeah. So cute, I can't wait to wear it when it gets colder. Like, I like the dress, but I don't like the material it's made out of. Like, can you see it? It's like a, how do you say it? Like a tablecloth? It looks like a tablecloth to me. I don't know, but I still look good in it with my cowboy boots. Oh, this dress, honey. Oh my gosh, I remember when I got this dress too. I can't remember the age, but I remember I was in Florida. But yeah, this is so old and I don't think I've ever worn it. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody else. The rest is good. Okay, so from this side, a little bit success. Not super. It's okay. We're good. I'm gonna start on the bottom from these shirts. Okay, so this section's done. There we go. Now I'm going to start up here. So I finished doing this one. I didn't take out much. I mean, most of my things are still pretty good. Yeah. So this is done, this is done. Now I just have to tackle like these boxes, make sure that I get rid of this stuff. And I'll be right back. These are my painting shoes. Definitely keeping these. Is my camera about to fall? Okay. And I found an old makeup bag. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about this. And wow. Let's see what's in there. I found my diploma. It's my diploma. Aw, how cute. Oh my gosh, here's my, what's it called? A corsage from when I went to prom. Oh, how cute. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I still have it. And there's just more stuff in here. Not that much, but just a little bit of stuff. Oh my goodness. I have to like crouch down so you guys can see me. Look what I found. Remember these necklaces? Like, you're like cool if you had these necklaces. Like, this was a thing. Okay, you had to have these necklaces. It was like maybe, I was in middle school probably when these were so, you know, like popular, I guess. But look at all these colors I have. Dang. Okay, this is the pile from just like the t-shirts and the dresses. Okay, yeah, that's that. All the hangers. And then this little pile right here. I just have to wash everything so I could donate. Okay guys, so that is basically it for this video. I feel like I did a good job at cleaning out my closet. I got rid of many pieces, although I feel like I didn't. I actually did. And now the boxes are out of my closet now, which makes me feel so much better. I ended up filling the tub with extra like hoodies and bags that were just laying in here. And then there's my suitcase right there. And then I just moved the TV over right here. And there's that. As you can see, it minimized a little bit up here. I just spaced it out. And then here's this basket right here. I have to wash everything in it so I could donate. And then here's a little pile right here. And then I have all of these hangers right here. All I have to do is break down these boxes so they could be gone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, or if it just like, I don't know, entertained you somehow. I don't know. But yeah, that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.